Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to get Google Gemini Advanced with a US student discount. If you're 18 or older and enrolled in the US college, head over to the Google One AI Premium student offer page and sign up using your personal Gmail account. You'll verify with your .edu email via Share ID during sign up before June 30, 2025. And you'll unlock Gemini Advanced, powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro, deep research, Notebook LM Plus, integration in docs, sheets, slides, VO2, video generation, create tools like Whisk, and the hefty 2 TB of cloud storage, all free through spring 2026. However, some students report that the sign up page currently says it's on summer break. So if that happens to you, don't panic. Check back shortly or try again later, as this seems to be a temporary glitch and not a shutdown of the offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.